Welcome to Gemini Architecture. My name is Kailash, and today we start a new tutorial that is based on 3ds Max with V-Ray lighting. So this is a live project. I'm working on that project. So this is my final output for 3ds Max with V-Ray lighting. So today I will show you how to do live projects with lighting. So this is my final output. After that, I will edit editing in Photoshop. So I just show you. This is my 3ds Max file, and I just place lighting here, here, and here. So I just delete all these lightings. So, so this is my camera. I just place my camera on my viewport. So this is my scene. I select my camera. This is my camera parameter. So should be custom balance is white, and your shuttering speed is 60, and your film speed IOS is 300. So you should be know about that one. Then after you just place the lights. First of all, I go here and just select this light. I select V-Ray light. Then after V-Ray light, and your light should be dome light. So I just place that here. Then after I just increase the subdivisions, and the resolution should be 2084, and just increase the target radius and emit radius, and place at here. Click on none and select SDR image. Go to maps and drag and drop in any slot, and should be your math mode is instance. Then after you select this image, that is SDRI, I just place my SDRI on it. Okay, select the camera. Okay, we just check our view what's come out for that one. So so see this my render that's coming out. That is only I just use SDRI lighting on that one. After that I will use sunlight on that one. So if you like this video, please like and share the video. And this is our website, that is Gemini Architecture, and we offering the lot of courses for architecture: AutoCAD, Photoshop, Dialux, 3ds Max, Rhinoceros, V-Ray lighting, Revit, and 3ds Max. We have other courses also: LED lighting, mechanical courses, interior designing courses, architectural designing courses. This is our number, and this is my email ID. If you need any kind of help, you just go here and place your query at here. And this is our YouTube channel. Gemini Architecture is our YouTube channel. If you like my video, please like and share it, and subscribe my channel. There's a lot of video at here. If you need Dialux, AutoCAD, 3ds Max, Rhinoceros, V-Ray lighting, as well as astrology also. So check my render. Okay, see. Okay, render is finished, and this is my render. This is I just use only SDR lighting on it. So next step is our sunlight. So I just add sunlight on my this project. Okay, I go here, I take a various sun. Wait a little bit up. Okay, this is my sun. I do some changes on my sun. So I go to sun parameters, select my sun. Okay, that intensity is one, and just increase the sun size multiplier, that is 4, and I just increase the shadow subdivisions 30. Okay, okay, now do the render. Shift key is shortcut for render. So that start rendering. It's take a few time. One more thing, I just explain about settings. So you go in rendering settings, and your output size is SD videos, and okay, your image sampler is adapted DMC, and anti-aliasing filter is Catmull Raw. And you just go here and go to environment and place that sky on this parameter, and same for this one on both one. Color mapping is your Yanard, and your burn value is 0.3. Okay, now you just ambient occlusion also, because that's give you depth on your objects, and your primary burn should be 0.5. First, GI engine erase map and light cache. I just type very low, so you just go high, medium, so that affect your rendering qualities. Okay, and then after you check show direct lighting, show calc, and use camera path, and also use lighting cache from glossy rays. And if you reduce your noise, you just go here and type 0.01, so that is reducing your noise also. And then after you click on render. So it takes time. So it takes too much time. So around half an hour it takes. So I just stop that rendering. I already render that image. So thank you for watching this video.